Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys how to factory reset on Realme mobile. Friends, you want to factory reset, you want to erase all data on your device. So friends, how to erase all data on Realme phone device? In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to erase all data. Open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme mobile. Friends, click on Realme phone additional setting. After additional setting friends, you can see phone language setting, date and time setting, keyboard setting. So friends, you can see OTG connection. Friends, you want to on OTG on your device, so you can on and you can off from here. Friends, click here backup and reset setting. As you can see backup my data. Friends, you want to on your backup my data, you can on. And friends, you can see add a backup account. Friends, you want to backup your account, you can backup from here. So guys, I will off it. As you can see erase all data, factory reset, click here. And friends, you want to reset your phone network settings, so you can reset from here. Friends, click here erase all data. Friends, you can see erase all data including photos and music. So friends, you have your photos, videos, music, download apps. So guys, this will erase all data on a device. If you click here, and friends, you can see this will erase all data on device. Erase all data and cancel. Friends, you want to erase, you can erase from here. Click here and guys, you can erase your all data on your Realme phone device. And guys, before erase data guys, first of all guys, file transfer your photos, video guys, any another mobile guys. Send from here guys your photos, videos. After send, friends, you can erase all data on your device from here. And friends, you can find your erase all data setting with shortcut setting. Direct friends, click on search option and friends, search here factory reset setting guys. As you can see factory reset setting. Okay, direct search here guys reset setting. Friends, you can see erase all data, factory reset, click here and you can erase from here. So friends, you have any problem on your device, so friends, first of all file transfer your photos, videos, music and your download apps. After transfer friends, you can erase all data from here. So I hope friends you understood how to erase and how to factory reset on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now do you have any doubt on your Realme phone device? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.